If you want to turn your Facebook to professional mode, you must make sure that you are within your profile. For pages, already have the features that a professional profile would have. Now, make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account, and then you're going to go to the top right hand side where you have your profile image. If you click on the drop down, you're going to go to settings and privacy, and then you select settings here. Once you've selected settings, you're going to go to the left hand side where you have other settings features. So you want to scroll down until under audience and visibility. Now in this section you'll see profile details and then professional mode. If you haven't turned it to professional mode, you see the option turn professional mode from this end, but if you already have, you just want to click on this here, and then you can see some of the things that you can set up. The first thing you see here is profile recommendation. This usually helps with your profile being recommended to more people once you've turned it into that professional mode. You have issue political ads. This is just a few settings that you can set up later, but not very essential when you're starting out. Then you have brand content here. You want to expand that and check if you can tag brands in your content and so on. So this will take you into the meta business. We're going to go back because we're not doing this now. Apart from that, now you can connect your WhatsApp. So if you want to link WhatsApp to your content here, you connect your WhatsApp here, and then you can use it and also do a few messaging tool setups. With that, your profile will now be in professional mode. With that setup, to see the stats and insights and analytics, now you just want to go to the dashboard on the left hand side here. Then you can see all the stats of your profile, your professional profile right now. Without the professional mode, you're not able to see these stats of views, engagement, and net followers. So that's how you change or turn your Facebook profile into professional mode.